Wait lang. Go, go, go.
Hi, John!
Hello. Merry Christmas, brothers and sisters.
Hi, sisters and brothers.
Yes. So, Christmas break, alam ko marami tayong kinakain.
At busog na busog tayo lagi.
Yes, may prayer time pa ba kayo?
Updated pa ba kayo kay God?
Yes, dapat meron. Pero hindi lang yun. Nag-exercise pa ba kayo? Dahil
Dahil magsa-summer games tayo sa
summer. Summer game. So, make sure na you get at least 30 minutes of exercise every day. Tama ba yun?
Stretching every time, every after you wake up.
And condition your body para pwede rin kayo kumain.
Okay. So,
So,
by January, intense training.
So, kasama namin yung CYACDO.
CYACDO.
Appreciation. So, make sure you pray, you train, stay awesome.
Yun, Tineo! Okay na!
Okay na?
Okay.